Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. So thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. So I got a quick and easy one for you today. We're talking about how to cook white rice on the stove. So this process is really simple, but you need to follow it to get that fluffy white rice that you can add to all kinds of dishes. But one thing that's important, make sure that you look at the package that you get your rice from. The water to rice ratio might be a little bit different. So let's jump right into it. So as you can see, it's really simple and easy to make delicious white rice on your stove. You want to follow this process. Make sure you keep the lid on, make sure you get it up to a boil, and then you put it in that low simmer and keep the lid on. And keep it tight until the end. And then when you pull it off, you let it sit for a little while, and then you just fluff that white rice. And it's going to go delicious in all kinds of recipes. So let me know if you did this, and is this the way you like to cook your rice? Let me know if any other videos you'd like to see on the channel. And I thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.